We'll guide you through how to fix the two-finger scroll not working on a Windows 11 laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem makes it really inconvenient to go and browse, because personally when I'm on a web page, I'm always sort of scrolling down with two fingers to go and read, as well as Word documents and other things as well. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try in order to go and get this working again. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part. So, first of all, what we need to do is we need to go and head into our settings. Come to the bottom and go and find the Windows Start, and you want to go and click there. This opens up and you want to go and find settings, click there. Now in here, you want to go and find the option for Bluetooth and devices. Come over to the right and we can then go and scroll down. Now what we need to do is we need to go and find touchpad, and you can go and click there. Make sure you go and have selected drag two fingers to scroll. That's really important. If it isn't, select it and hopefully that'll solve it. Then after you've done that, go and see if it works. If it doesn't, the next thing we're going to do is come down to the bottom to where it says search, and you want to go and click there, and you want to go and type in device manager. This is what we're looking for. You can go and click on it like so. Now what you need to do is you need to go and find the option for human interface devices, and you want to go and press the arrow to the left to expand it. Find the touchpad. As you can see, HID compliant touchpad. Now you can go and right click on that, and you need to find the option for update driver. Press browse my computer for drivers. Press let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and you can then go and select touchpad and go and press next. You can go and see it's now successfully updated your drivers. You can press close. Now what you can do is you can go and see if that goes and solves it. Hopefully it does. If it doesn't, then what you want to do is you want to go and right click on it, find the option for uninstall device, press uninstall. Now you're going to go and find it will go and completely stop working. Don't worry. What you can then do is you can go and press on the Windows key and X like so. This will open up and you can then use your downwards arrow key. Keep pressing that until you get to shut down or sign out and press enter. Then with the downwards arrow key, you can go down until you have restart selected, and you can go and press enter. It'll then go and restart. And when it goes and restarts, it'll then go and reinstall, and hopefully the problem will go and be solved. This just goes and refreshes things, hopefully go and fixing the problem. So hopefully with the help of this video, the problem will then go and be solved, and you're able to go and use the two-finger scroll. As I said, I just find it so convenient.